Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor and this morning, Friday 23rd of August 2024. This morning, this is weekend, today is Friday, and as at yesterday, currently I'm in this market. I was able to enter at this key level. I was able to enter at this key level of 2,518 pounds, and currently right now market has break the structure of neckline, because you can see on this analysis this is massive head and shoulder chart patterns. Currently right now market has broke the neckline, which is at this level of 2,496 ounce, and also broke our trend line trading strategy and is currently retesting now. As long as this key level holds, then there will be massive sales today. On gold, there will be massive sell. Gold is dropping because this is all-time high of 2,535 per ounce. That was on Tuesday, which is on Tuesday. Market was able to reach all-time high, and since then it has been consolidating, and this consolidation form head and shoulder chart patterns. And if you don't know how to trade head and shoulder chart patterns yet, you can see the way I draw it is as simple as ABC. It's as simple as ABC. Let me untangle everything for you. Let me untangle everything. This is the market, and this is it as at last week. Then the next thing is duplicate by cloning it. That is the first step. Now you see now. Then since that I have not duplicated, this is channel trading. Then I pick one of my indicators to trace the movement of the market, which is somewhere to here. The market move to a higher high, higher low, from higher high, higher low to equal high, then to lower low, break of structure. Now, can you see here what is happening here now? And let me bring out my tool to confirm. I spotted this as early as Tuesday morning, and this is my head and shoulder. I was able to enter at this right shoulder. Immediately the market pull up, and currently right now this is what is happening. Now you can see how I was able to come with that simple chart patterns. The reason why I'm breaking this down is simple, so that you too can go into your chart right now and process the same thing. Because in order for you to be profitable, you must learn how to practice. You must understand how the market is moving over a long period of time. Over a long period of time. If you can understand the movement of the market, then you have chances of becoming successful. And this is good right now. Now we have different confluence right now that can give us the ability. Now these are different confluence. First of all, this is a break of trend line trading strategy. It's one of my special strategy I usually use to catch massive move pips in the market. The second thing is this is head and shoulder chart patterns in 4 hours time frame, and that is amazing things, because if it is 5 minutes I might not pay attention to it. If it is 30 minutes I might not pay attention. If it is 45 minutes I might not pay attention. But this is 4-hour chart patterns, and this is something to reckon with. So as long as this neckline of 2,499 ounce wood, then there will be massive sell, because market can do whatever it wants at any point in time. It is market you are talking about. Retail traders are not the market makers in the market. But what we do is we trade along with the market makers. And who are the market makers? Market makers are the big banks, because central banks are the one that is controlling the monetary policy of every economy. And if central banks are the policy makers of any industries, they are buying and selling through commercial banks, because central bank of any countries of the world make monetary policies such as inflation, interest rate, and they transfer the skill. When central bank make the monetary policy of interest rate, inflations, then they transfer the policy to the commercial banks, and every business moguls in the world trade with commercial banks. Those are the big boys. Once they are moving the money in the market space, it is our own to understand what is happening, and this is good. So when government central bank make monetary policy and increase interest rate, which affect the investment, what happens to the financial market? What happens to copper and gold? There is a reaction in the market space, and that is exactly, we can see what is happening here. This is left shoulder, head shoulder, right shoulder. This is simple trading strategy that can give you an edge over market, that can give you an edge in the financial industry. But you have to be patient. You have to, it takes time to spot something like this. This neckline, I have entered this market now. I am waiting for market. Imagine if you are able to enter this trade with proper risk management. This is 632 pips. 632 pips. And that is 632 pips with less than 60. If you are able to put you are able to use 60 to 100 pips to catch 600. That is 1:6, 1:7. That's one of the amazing trades that can make you profitable over a long period of time, even if you are in losing streak. Understanding this will give you an edge over others in the market space, and that is what you need. You must have an edge. Finding a simple strategy that can give you an edge in the market space, that is all that matters. So I will want you to go into your chart right now, spot this, what I'm spotting, check it out, and trade along with me. Good for this morning. So we are waiting for market to this resistance key level to hold. As long as, though there might be, if you have not entered, it is possible there might be a little bit of manipulation here, because they know that a lot of traders will be waiting. But if you can, and this neckline hold, because market can do whatever it wants, market can break this structure, turn it from resistance to support and move up. But as long as this level holds, and based on what you are seeing right now, probability that it will hold is high, then there will be a massive drop. There will be a massive drop. As long as this key level holds, then that is all you need. And you can use 100 pips to catch 700 pips, 800 pips. And even if you have a sniper entry, you can, if you are a sniper entry, you can see what is happening in 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame, and we can see now that there is loss of momentum in the market. Market is already losing momentum, but you have to be patient. You have to keep calm. You have to understand what market is doing. As long as this structure holds, once this structure holds, market is about to drop, and that is something special. Imagine catching 700 pips with just single entry and proper risk management. That is what swing traders, that is what we do. We don't just click buy and sell button. Don't click buy and sell button until you find out what market is doing. And how will you find out what market is doing? You have to be patient. You have to let market gives you direction. Let market shows you direction. If you have not entered, be patient. see what candlesticks are doing. Go to 4-hour time frame. Go and be patient. Go and sit there and watch what's the movement of the market. Understanding the movement of the market before it become obvious is one of the strategy of profitable trader. So once this neckline holds and there is already break of structure at this key level. Once it holds and it sell, then we can take our profit here at this key level, which is the previous market as I actually came to this place. So which is 2,432 ounce, and that is 1:6, 1:7, and that is what makes good special. That is what make being a swing trader effective. In order to not to waste our time, quickly go into the chart, go and do your analysis. If you don't understand, watch my video, do your analysis, come back. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, click the like button, subscribe on your notification, share with your friends and family, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.